ship or their bodies. Their written language has no forward or backward direction. Linguists call this nonlinear orthography, which raises the question, is this how they think? Imagine you wanted to write a sentence using two hands starting from either side. You would have to know each word you wanted to use, as well as how much space there is.
She's snoring. See you later, Fruit Loop Warriors.